Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Aqmal Nadzrin bin Nazaruddin, and today I'm going to present about my internship program. So this internship has been done from 11 March 2024 until 28 June 2024. And this is my supervisor from Kifil Offshore, which is Miss Wan Nurul Haida binti Harun. And for this 4 month, all the tasks that has been given required me to be good at teamwork, good communication skills, and quick learning abilities, and lastly is hardworking, which it does plays a big role throughout this internship. And the task that I need to do is firstly is document checking, which I'm going to check each document for each rank, master, second officer and all. And after that is OSIS, which is offshore safety passport, and also CCC, which is contractor competency card, which from there I learn what rank do they need CCC and what rank only use OSP, which is offshore safety passport. And this requires you to have a really good remembering skills, because most of the rank have different type of certificates, so it trains me on how to make sure that I learn fast and I remember all of it. And lastly is planner, which I'm going to arrange crew change for vessel that I've take care of, which is Kifil Lestari. And all of this work task has been stated in my report. Okay, next I'm going to present about the company background, which the company names is Kifil Offshore Sendian Berhad, which the owner of the company is Datuk Darren Key. And the company logo, as you can see in the slide, it got their inspiration from its industry and corporate identity. And typically, logos in the offshore services sector often incorporate elements like waves or style ocean imagery to symbolize the maritime environment. They might also integrate colors such as blue and green to represent trust, professionalism, and the natural surrounding of the sea. And the company location is at B3102 Tower B, Pavilion Embassy, Jalan Ampang, and it takes 7 minutes to go by motorcycle from my house. And it is in a kind of very busy area, but using motorcycle is a very good decision when you have internship company in Kuala Lumpur. Right now for the vision is to be the leading provider of offshore accommodation vessel to the oil and gas industry in Malaysia and the international markets with high quality asset, integrity and professionalism. And they strive to provide top of the end of offshore accommodation and quality catering for offshore personnel. And for their mission is to support the industry by delivering on their commitment to their customers, providing a comprehensive range of quality accommodation vessel and services while adhering to the industry's standards for health, safety and the environment. With their experienced team, they work hard in hand to overcome challenges together and consistently deliver the best service to their valued customer. And the vision is basically to lead in offshore accommodation vessel, offering high quality asset and professional services globally. And their mission is to deliver exceptional customer service while upholding safety environmental standard. Alright, now is for their organizational chart, which Kifil Offshore Sendian Berhad operates with a workforce of over 65 employees distributed across 8 distinct departments, each essential for ensuring the smooth functioning of operation and activities. Alright, now is Kifil Group Services, which the first one is vessel chartering, which they have grown to become a renowned player in the offshore support vessel, which is OSV chartering industry, particularly in the chartering of accommodation workboats, which AWB, it means AWB. Kifil Offshore Sdn Bhd established itself as a well-regarded entity in the offshore safety vessel chartering sector, specializing notably in accommodation workboats. This specialization underscores their expertise in providing vessel equipped for both accommodation and work function, catering specifically to the offshore industry operational needs. The next one is ship management, which ship management services include crew sourcing, crew management, and provisions to be loaded onto the vessel. Kifil Offshore Sdn Bhd offers comprehensive ship management services, encompassing crew sourcing, crew management, and provisioning for vessel operation. And this includes sourcing qualified crew members, managing their activities on board, and ensuring the vessel is provisioned with necessary supplies for its operation at sea. And lastly is offshore catering and provision, which they provide catering services on board our own vessel as well as third-party vessel, which, to understand easier, is Kifil Offshore Sdn Bhd offers catering services not only for their own fleet of vessels, but also extends these services to third-party vessels. This includes providing onboard catering solution tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of crews, enhancing comfort and operational efficiency during offshore operation. Alright, now I'm going to present about the industry analysis for pastel analysis, which firstly is political, where regulation and policies are significant in the offshore oil and gas industry. Changes in government regulation, both locally and internationally, can impact their operation, where government regulation plays a crucial role in the Kifil offshore oil and gas industry, affecting Kifil Offshore Sdn Bhd operation. Changes in regulation, whether at local or international levels, can impact how the company conducts business, influencing everything from safety standards and environmental compliance to operational procedure and financial planning. And the second one is economic, which global oil prices significantly affect their profitability. Fluctuation in prices can impact their investment in new projects and overall revenue, where Kifil Offshore Sdn Bhd profitability is heavily influenced by global oil prices. Fluctuation in oil prices directly affect their financial performance by influencing investment decision in new project and impacting overall revenue from its existing operation. This sensitivity underscores the company's dependency on global economic conditions and market dynamics within oil and gas sector. And the third one is social, which the availability of skilled labor is vital for their operations. They rely on highly trained professionals, and shortage can affect their efficiency, overall revenue. Kifil Offshore Sdn Bhd depends on a skilled labor force to maintain operational efficiency. The availability of highly trained professionals is crucial, as shortage can directly impact their ability to execute project effectively and thereby affect overall revenue generations. This highlights the importance of workforce management and strategic planning in ensuring continuous operational capability. The fourth one is technology, which advance in drilling technology, exploration techniques, and safety measures can provide them with a competitive edge, where Kifil Offshore Sdn Bhd can gain a competitive edge by adopting advanced drilling technology, exploration techniques, and safety measures, where this advancement improve efficiency, safety, and cost effectiveness, enhancing their position in offshore industry. For the fifth one is environment, where adopting sustainable practices is increasingly important in the oil and gas industry, where adopting sustainable practices is critical in the oil and gas industry to mitigate environmental impact and enhance corporate responsibility and meet an evolving regulatory expectation, ensuring long-term viability and reputation. The last one, which is the sixth one, is legal, which legal factors include compliance with local and international laws such as environmental regulation, labor laws, and safety standards, where legal factors encompasses adherence to local and international laws, including environmental regulation, labor standards, and safety protocols, ensuring Keyfield Offshore Sdn Bhd operates within legal frameworks to maintain operational integrity and regulatory compliance. Right now is about industry analysis, Porter's 5 forces analysis, which the first one is threat of new entrants, where the offshore support services industry typically requires significant capital investment to acquire and maintain specialized vessels, complying with stringent regulatory standards and build relationship. And the next one is supplier bargaining power, where suppliers of specialized equipment, raw materials, and vessel component will moderate bargaining power over Keyfield Offshore. For the third one is customer bargaining power, where Keyfield Offshore faces moderate to high bargaining power from buyers, primarily oil and gas companies and contractor. And the fourth one is threat of substitute, which the threat of substitute for Keyfield Offshore services is relatively low. And lastly is rivalry among the existing competitors, where competition within the offshore support services industry is intense, characterized by numerous local and international players competing for contracts and market share. Alright, now for the findings and discussion, which for the findings, the first one is political factors, the second one is economic factors, the third one is social factors, the fourth one is technological factors, the fifth one is legal factors, and lastly is environmental factors. And for the discussion is interplay of micro environmental factors and strategic alignment. Alright, for the findings, the first one is political factors, where it effect of political stability and government policies on operations, importance of regulation in the oil and gas sectors, maritime operation, and environmental standards in Malaysia. And the second one is economic factors, where it impacts on growth rate, inflation, exchange rate, and interest rates on consumer behavior, business investment, and market demand. Influence on budgeting, financial planning, and project feasibility. And the third one is social factors, which it impacts of demographic changes, cultural norms, and consumer preference on product demand and workforce dynamics, and also it influence on societal expectation regarding environmental sustainability and corporate social responsibility. Alright, let's jump to the next, technological factors, which it role of technological investment in operation efficiency and competitive edge, and it importance of investment in advanced offshore technologies, DP2 vessel, digitalization, cybersecurity, risk, and associated with technological innovation. And the fifth one is legal factors, where importance of regulatory compliance, contractual obligation, and legal frameworks, necessity of a compliance with maritime laws, health and safety regulation, and industry-specific standards. And also role of contractual negotiation, dispute resolution, and intellectual property for protection in safeguarding business interests. And lastly is environmental factors, which adherence to environmental laws governing emission, waste management and conservation practices, and also its impact of climate change on operation and the necessity for risk management and adaptation strategies. And other than that, its benefits of sustainability initiative for compliance and corporate reputation. Right, for the discussion, which the first one is interplay of macro environmental factors, where economics, political, social, technological, environmental, and legal factors shape strategic decision and operational effectiveness, where its importance of understanding and navigating these factors for seizing opportunities, mitigating risk, and maintaining a competitive edge. And the next point is strategic alignment, where aligning strategies with external environmental forces to foster innovation, enhance operational resilience, and achieve long-term growth. Proactive adaptation to evolving industry dynamics to maintain competitiveness in the global market. Alright, let's now jump to the recommendation, which the first one is enhancing internal communication, where one of the critical areas for improvement at Kifil Offshore Sdn Bhd is internal communication. Clear and effective communication channels across all levels of the organization are essential for operational efficiency and employee morale. To address this, Kifil should implement a robust communication strategy that includes regular department meetings, company-wide updates, and the use of digital communication tools such as internet portals and collaboration software like Slack or Microsoft Teams. The second one is addressing staff shortage in key departments, where to enhance operational efficiency and reduce employee burnout, Kifil Offshore should conduct a true assessment to identify departments experiencing staff shortage. Critical areas such as engineering, safety, compliance, and project management often require more personnel to handle increasing workloads effectively. And the third one is fostering a supportive environment for interns and new staff, where creating a welcoming and supportive environment for interns and new staff is crucial for fostering a positive company culture and ensuring long-term retention. Kifil Offshore should establish a formal mentorship program where experienced employees guide and support new hires, helping them acclimate to the company's culture and their job responsibilities. And the last one is number 4 for leveraging technology for improved communication and efficiency, where in today's digital age, leveraging technology can significantly enhance communication and operation efficiency at Kifil Offshore. Implementing an integrated communication platform that includes instant messaging, video conferencing, and project management tools can streamline informative flow and collaboration. Alright, that is all for recommendation. Right now, let's jump straight into the conclusion, which what I've got throughout this whole 4 months of internship. Which the first one is insight into offshore support services. The second one is importance of effective communication and teamwork. And the third one is application of theoretical knowledge. And the fourth one is professionalism, safety and environmental stewardship. And the last one is personal and professional growth. So for the first one is insight into offshore support services, where I gained a comprehensive understanding of industry complexities and also experience navigating regulatory framework, managing operational efficiencies, and handling client relationship. And the second one is importance of effective communication and teamwork, where I learn on enhancing interpersonal skills and teamwork abilities through the participation in team meetings and across departmental collaboration. And also I observe the critical role of clear communication in project success. And for the third point is application of theoretical knowledge, where I contributed to various projects applying theoretical knowledge to practical scenarios, and also I developed a problem-solving skills and adaptability in a fast-paced environment throughout this internship. And the fourth one is professionalism, safety, and environmental stewardship, where I recognize the importance of maintaining high standard in professionalism, safety, and environmental practices. And I also observe the company's commitment to regulatory compliance and sustainability. And for the last one is personal and professional growth, where I acquired valuable skills, knowledge, and insight into the offshore support services industry. And I am very grateful for learning opportunities from experienced professionals and contributing to meaningful projects such as Health Day, where I've been committee throughout the whole event, helping all the logistic parts. And the last one is confident that the lesson and experiences will serve as a solid foundation for future career endeavor in the industry. And the last part is where I want to thank Kifil Offshore for giving me the opportunities on being an internship there, and also thank you for UniKL to give me the chance and subject of internship, and it teach me a lot in being in the corporate world. And thank you so much.